Hi, my name is Cathi Nelson. I'm the CEO and founder of the Photo Mangers, thrilled to bring B&H Photo the 5 top tips for getting your photos organized in celebration of Save Your Photos Month. Does this look familiar? Who can relate to a computer filled with images? How about a phone filled with images? Then we all have VCR tapes or old home movies. Who can watch a camcorder video anymore? Do you have slides, negatives, loose analog photos, boxes of photos? I mean, we all have this problem, right? Today I'm going to share with you the 5 tips that professional photo managers do to get this whole mess in order to help ensure that your photos are safe and shareable into the future. Are you ready? Tip number 1. You need to set a goal. What is the desired outcome for getting your photos organized in a way for you to see them and experience them again? Do you have an event coming up, a wedding, a 50th anniversary? Just somebody in your family been recently diagnosed with a terminal illness and you want to get those stories before it's too late? Is there a son graduating? All those are reasons a lot of times why people suddenly decide they want to get their photos organized. Are you looking to downsize? Are you moving into a different home? So the first thing is to set a goal so that you know what it is that you're trying to accomplish. Tip number 2, you need to take an inventory. If you don't know what you have, then it's hard to make sense of it. So just grab a sheet of paper and start making a note. I have 3 external hard drives, 4 old iPhones. I have my photos in Dropbox, Google Photos. I have 7 VCR tapes. I have 6 old bins of albums, or of loose photos. And also I have 7 magnetic albums. You get the idea, but you definitely want to have an inventory so that you can we call that assess the mess, so you know what it is that you're dealing with. Tip number 3 is to sort and categorize the photos that you have. So many people think that they have to organize their photos in date chronological order. I'm here to tell you that you can break the rules. I love to say that we live in chronological date order, but we think about the world in our life experiences almost in terms of themes. So when you start going through a box of photos like this, we call it the ABCs of photo organizing. Make sure that you just find the photos that are the best, the ones that you want to put in an album, you want to archive. Those are the ones that you want to make sure that you save. The rest, the blurry, the duddy photos, all that stuff can absolutely be thrown away. That's the C, we call that. You can throw photos away. What you're looking for are the photos that tell stories. And again, when I mention themes, think about the themes of your life. Are you a family that loved to travel? Are you a person that participated in lots of different sporting events? Do you celebrate different holidays? Those are the themes of your life. And it's much easier if you think of your photo collection broken down into themes rather than in some kind of date chronological order. Tip number 4, you need to make sure that you save your photo collection. These photos are backed up. Today, with the high risk of weather events and things like that, these photos, the ones that your digital photos probably aren't at high risk. Ideally, you have them backed up either on Backblaze or in a cloud service or on external hard drives. But this collection, your analog collection, your home movies, they absolutely need to be digitized. They need to be scanned and converted so that they can be safe no matter what happens. The last tip, number 5, is you want to share your photos, right? This is the most fun. Making digital photo books is so much more fun to see these photos of this trip. Of course, I took thousands of more photos than what I included in this photo book, but what matters are the ones that were most important. You can share your photos in so many different ways. Video montages, art, hung on walls, wall galleries, and frames, on online photo galleries. That's the goal, ideally, of getting all these photos into some kind of organizational pattern so that you can share them to your family and friends and also down into the future generations. All right, in closing, I just want to let you know I've written 2 books, Photo Organizing Made Easy, Going from Overwhelmed to Overjoyed, and a business roadmap for professional photo managers, because this is a growing profession. People need to hire somebody to help them with all this. So you can learn more in the footnotes about Save Your Photos Month, free classes that we have, and a lot more information to help you get those photos organized. Thank you so much.